Okay, today on Half Thumb Homestead, we're going to winterize our sprinkler system. Step one, just turn it off. Come in here to your whatever system you have. It can look like this, can be analog, can be digital. Mine's a Beehive. I actually turn mine off with my Wi-Fi. I don't actually use the off button, but I'll just select to it here, and you would click it off. Thinks about it. Now it says off. So cool. We don't really need that on because it's winter. Then we go out to the sprinkler shut off, the main supply water valve here, main water supply valve. Mine's under this guy out front. So here in Texas we have anti-siphon valve. It may be like that everywhere, I don't know. All this so they can pressure check a bunch of stuff, and the plumbers can do all kinds of goofy stuff. I honestly don't know what it's for. It has two levers on it, one here and one up here, and they're nice enough to rust off. It's been 18 years I've been in this house. So probably about 15 years ago, I put in a secondary shutoff valve, this guy here. Just a plastic PVC, cut, spliced it in, because I didn't want to have to go to the store every five years or so and buy new handles. So you can get those on Amazon. Just a plastic 1.5-inch ball valve is all that is. Just turn it off. Sprinkler system water is off now. To verify that, we're going to go to one of the sprinkler boxes. Now here I have 3 sprinkler boxes. They were nice enough when they built this house to put them all over the yard. I consolidated them into 3 rather than having 8. So this is my front sprinkler valves, 1, 2, and 3. There's several different styles. You have solenoids. You can twist those to open them. Some of them have a little lever on them like this guy does, turn on. So I want to turn that one on. You didn't hear that. That was the water going into the system. So it's starting to drain that pipe. Then I can take off the bleeder screw here. And then, you open this guy by twisting it part way. What that does, that'll start sucking air or letting air through here to let the water out. Now I take these little bleeder valves and stick them right on top of the valve. Otherwise, if you're like me, you'll lose them. You'll have to go spend 12 to 15 bucks to buy a new one. I'm sure they sell them in bulk somewhere. Now in the summer, if you got a valve that sticks on, you can always change out the solenoid. Hopefully that's the problem. Normally it is. And if that is the problem, great. If not, then you have to cut the valve out and replace it. You can probably see the water kind of spilling out of this guy here. Then we'll go to my other 2 boxes and do the exact same thing. And guess what? You're just about winterized. All you got left to do is go out in about 3 hours, put your little caps back in, or heck, leave them off. It's not going to hurt nothing if you leave them off all winter. Just don't forget in the summer to put them back on. Half Thumb out.